Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to be seeing how to adjust brightness and contrast of a photo in Remini. So to do that, open your Remini application, select a photo that you're going to be adjusting. So I'm selecting this photo over here. So we're going to be adjusting the brightness and contrast of this photo. So at first we need to first enhance it from the beginning. So let's enhance it and we see what next. Alright, so it's enhancing. Let's wait and see. Alright, so it has finished enhancing, as you can see. Right, so when it's finished enhancing, save it. So we have saved it to the gallery. So we head over to our gallery. So it will be over here, first one. So you come to edit. Now when you come to edit, come to adjust. Now come to contrast. Now increase contrast. So you're adjusting contrast. Then after that, select brightness. You can either increase or reduce it a bit. So I'll increase it there. Then after that, you can come and save it and you're good to go. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.